Hello, we're now in week 6. And the reading assignments for this week are chapter 11, Ethics and Police, and chapters 2, 3, and 4 in The Path of the Warrior. Chapter 11 in the Sorrel text focuses on the problems and peculiar environment faced by police, why police sometimes abuse their power, and which leads to public distrust and means for ending such abuses. And chapters 2, 3, and 4 in the Jetmore text discusses the impact policing has on the physical, mental, and spiritual health of police officers, the ethical dilemmas faced by police, and explains what Jetmore means by his warrior philosophy. And also you have the review questions. You have to review the PowerPoint presentation this week for the week's 4 ILOs, incremental learning outcomes, for chapters 11, and 4 incremental learning outcomes for Jetmore's text in chapters 2, 3, and 4. Also, I provided a web link to the International Association of Chiefs of Police Law Enforcement Code of Ethics, which you might want to explore for the site for its policies and ethical reports. And the assignments this week are the selected review questions that are strictly from the Jetmore text and are due and should come from the Jetmore text and are due this coming Saturday evening. And remember to quote or paraphrase the text and note each citation. You also have the 4th essay entitled "The United States Should Have a Border Control Policy that Keeps Tight Control of Immigration and Punishes and Deports Those Who Enter the Country Illegally." So again, you want to write a 2-page essay, double-spaced, use the Times New Roman font of 12, and you want to write a essay either in support of the statement or in opposition to the statement. And you also have the second ethical dilemma. The second ethical dilemma is entitled "The War Story," and you can find the war story on page 13 in the Jetmore text. Once you have submitted the second ethical dilemma entitled "The War Story," then my analysis of the second ethical dilemma will be available in the week's folder at the end of the day, or after the end of the day on Monday. So that's what you've got for this week. All assignments this week are open Sunday morning at 12 a.m. and will close this coming Saturday evening. And the lateness policy is in effect. So the lateness policy means that beyond Saturday, it's a 10% reduction if it's submitted on Sunday, and a 20% reduction if submitted on Tuesday, and it's a zip if you try to submit after Monday, which you cannot do anyway. So that's it for week 6.